ReefDVMs coming at you with a review on the 5085E and the 328 John Deere Baler. The 5085E is just a fantastic tractor. It came out just a little over a year ago, I think. It's an 85 horse. It replaces the 5083E. Standard 12 forward, 12 reverse power reverser transmission. Plenty of power, and you tag it up with a 328 John Deere traditional baler with the bale kicker on the butt. Wow, what a team. Basically, just kind of wanted to show you this one in progress. This baler with the auger feed and the accurate knotters and the bale kicker on it works great, especially with the baler cage. Taking it out here on some second crop hay, pushing the speed up on the tractor and just pounding through, 1,000 bales in an afternoon. This is what this beast is made to do, folks. So please enjoy the video as we kick back and watch this thing go. And again, thanks for liking the video and subscribing to show support.